Hello all, this is Nick with 4x Today we're doing a driving video with Little Red. It's a 2002 Ford Ranger, 3.0 liter V6, and it's got 3,743 original miles on it. This truck is just about as new as they come. There was one flaw, and there was a ding right on the hood where the body line is. We had the ding removed, but there is just a tad bit of paint cracking, and that is in the photo gallery if you want to check that out. Besides that, this truck is new. The paint is pretty much flawless besides that. The interior is absolutely flawless. It still has the original stickers hanging from the mirror, sticker down here, and then from the glove box, it even has the original manual still sealed in the original packaging. Drives phenomenal. It still wears the original tires. I did not replace them. I normally would, but it shows the condition of the truck. There's no dry rot, no flat spots, and it drives phenomenal. Everything works on it. Radio works.
Working well.
Heat and AC work great. It's just a total time capsule. Made a U-turn, didn't want to go through the school zone there. This truck came from North Carolina. It's always been in a garage its whole life. In North Carolina, obviously there's no salt on the roads. I don't think this has ever been driven even in the rain. The underside's pretty much immaculate on it. It was an older gentleman. He's had it for a very long time and just never drove it, kept it indoors. In just a second, I'll let some space free up and I'll get on a little bit so you can hear it. Not that it's loud or anything, just so you can hear the performance of it. And with that being said, it is totally original. There's been no modifications. Really the only thing I did to it was a quick tune-up, oil change. Shifts well. It's just an extremely solid, extremely low mileage, and extremely well maintained 02 Ford Ranger. Thank you guys. Good luck bidding on it.